When do the gondolas open?
They're not for now. Probably not.
Okay.
Because it's too windy.
Not today?
I don't think so. We'll see. Maybe later.
Okay.
The gusts, it's the gusts that are too big.
Okay.
I know. So cold.
Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm on the lift and it is so cold. My hand is currently freezing. It's like in the negatives and it's super windy, which makes it even colder. But for the first half of the day, I could not ski anything good because, oh, the view in the back is so good. I couldn't ski anything good because the gondola was closed and they just opened it. So here I am skiing all the good stuff now. And of course, my GoPro decided to stop working, so I can't really get much footage. I think the GoPro, it's too cold or something and it's just not turning on. But yeah, so I'm on the lift and I'm gonna be trying to get as much footage as I can with my phone. Oh my god, I'm like currently freezing, but I'm having a good time. I have to keep making breaks because it's literally so cold and I don't want to get frostbite and I'm freezing, but it's really fun. I'm on the gondola. Probably one of my last runs. My hair looks crazy right now, but I just wanted to say it's probably one of my last runs. I've had gondola to myself because of COVID. Yeah, really cold. Some guy got angry at me for asking if I can go on this gondola alone, even though he had like 4 kids and none of them were wearing a mask over their nose. And we're in a pandemic, but for some reason that was a problem for him. But here I am.